We have the Rubik's Cube. I'm going to show you how to solve it. It's quite easy. Give it to Logan. Right.
Hi.
I will start the clock.
Hang on, yellow ain't at the top.
Right. Okay.
I can
Go.
do it too. Shut up.
And me.
Yeah, but you take hours, I take like 2 minutes. We all take 2 minutes. If you're not I think the fastest was 2:08.
I think mine was 8 minutes.
Exactly.
Well, I'm getting better. It's only taken me 62.5 years to get it down to 8 minutes.
Actually,
Don't distract Logan. He's trying to solve it.
yeah, you're distracting me, both of you. Stop talking. You want to fight, man? Wait, can I do it after?
Yes, but let Logan do it first.
Yeah, no, but he's going to be done in like 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was long. I'm done.
1 minute 15. Well done, mate.